Hello everyone, my name is Dr. S. Pavan Kumar Reddy, Assistant Professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, B.V. Raju Institute of Technology, Narsapur campus. Today I teach the subject is data structures using Python. In that subject, one of the most important topic is stacks. I am follow the data structures using program design using the Python. Follow complete. This is the textbook for the reference textbook. Now, in that stacks, what are the topics will be covered? Here, what is the definition of the stack, operations, and how to represent the stack. The stacks can be represented by using the two ways. First one is the arrays. Second one is the linked list. The next topic is applications on stacks. Today we will discuss about the what we mean by stack and what are the operations in the stack and how to represent the stacks. Now, coming to the definition of stack. What is the definition of the stack? The stack is a linear data structures that can be stored the last in first out or first in last out manner. That is the definition of the stack. Here the stack, in the stack, new element will be added at one end. The element will be added at one end and the element will be removed in that same end only. Same end only. Here the insert and delete are the two operations that is called as push and pop. Simply the stack is a data structures. In the data structures has the last in first out, and also there is a two types of the operations are there. First operation is the push operation. Second one is the pop operation. We are using the two operations. Next, coming to the see this diagram. Here the stack having the insertion and deletion will be happen in the same end. What that meaning here? The insert the element is one end, that is called as push. To remove the element from the same end, that is called as pop. The stack is called as last in first out. Which element will be inserted in the last, that element will be pop from the first. That is the definition of the stack. Here, what is the top means? The element will be inserted in the last, that position is called as top position. That is the stack. See the stack. Here the stack is a ordered list and also follow the insertion and deletion operations can be performed only one end, that is called as pop. Okay. Here the stack having the pointer to its top element. The stack, the pointing is top element. Here the stacks can be sometimes called as last in first out or first in last out list. Here the element will be inserting the first in the stack, will be deleting the last from the stack. See this data structure is on the diagram. The element will be insert into the one way. The element will be removed from the same end. The stack can be pointing to the top position, that is called as a top of the element. That is the data structures in the under the stack. See that what are the operations, what is the definition of the push and pop operations. Not only push and pop, we are also using these some other operations are also there in that stacks operations. Here mainly focus on push and pop and is empty method is there. What is the first one? Push is the one of the operation in the stack. What is the definition of the push is? When they insert an element in the stack, then the operation is called as push. Here push means we can insert the element into the stack. The stack is full, overflow condition will be occur. The stack is full, the overflow condition will be occur. Here, what is the meaning of pop operation? Pop operation means when we delete an element from the stack. Pop operation means delete the element from the stack. That operation is called as pop. If the stack is empty means no element will be exist in the stack. No element will be exist in the stack. That is called as underflow state. One more operation is there, that is called as is empty. Is empty means it can be determined whether the stack is empty or not. Whether the stack is empty or not. Here, see this example. I have to apply the three operations. For suppose, push operation means we can insert the elements. First element is 1, second will be inserting the 2 element, third will be inserting the 3 element. Okay. Now, what is the pop? Delete the element from the stack. Which element will be deleting first? Which element is the last? That element will be removed from the stack. Okay. First 3 will be removed. The top of the stack is 2. Next, the 2 element will be removed from the stack. 2 element will be removed from the stack. The top of the stack is 1. 1 element will be removed. Next, the stack is empty. Now, we can apply the is empty. Is empty means whether the stack is empty or not. There is no elements here. That's why we are applying the is empty operation. Not only these 3 operations are there, we are also using the some operations in that stack also there. What is that one? Is full. What is the is full method? Whether the stack is full or not. See this example. I am inserting 4 elements. The stack is full. Now, whether the stack is full or not to determine using the is full method. Next, peak method. What the peak method means? It returns the element will be given position. The given position. Next one is the count. What is that count method? It returns total number of elements will be available in that stack. Total number of elements available in that stack. Next one is change. What that meaning of change? The changes means the element at the given the position. Change means to know the whether the element position. Here the stacks can be implementing the arrays and linked list. That is the next to upcoming topic. The array start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now change means it changes the element at given position. To know that element will be changed to determine the position of the stack. Next, display method. What is the use of the display method is to print the all elements available in that stack. That is the stack operations. Now, see this algorithm. Here, in the stack operations, we are using the 2 operations. First one is the push operation, pop operation. What is that algorithm for the push and what is the algorithm for the pop? Now, initially the first step is to start the stack operation. Next, if the top equal to maximum minus 1. If top equal to maximum minus 1 means it can be print the overflow error. At the time, directly go to the 5th step. That step is exit. Now, set top equal to top plus 1. Here we are using the push operation now. What is the use of the push operation? We can inserting the elements one by one. First we can insert the first element, that is the top. Second one, the second element will be inserting. The top will be given to the move the position will be top plus 1. Next time, the third element will be inserting to the stack. The position will be changed. That is the top 1 plus 1 is next top plus 1. This one is the 0th position, 1 is the top 2 position. At the time, that means the third step is top equal to top plus 1. Now, stack of top equal to item. Stack of top equal to item means here we are inserting the fourth element. It will decide the top position. If the top of stack of top equal to item, that item is 4. That is the push operation. Okay, what is mean by every time the item will be inserting into the stack means top equal to top plus 1. That is the stack operation in the push. What is the pop operation? Here, first step is start, second step is top equal to null. Now, if top equal to null means there is no elements in the stack. There is no elements in the stack means exit from the stack. If item equal to stack of top. If the item is stack of the top position, now we will remove from the top of the element every time. That is top equal to top minus 1. That is the push operation and pop operation. Now see this example for that all operation. Now from Python data structures dot basic we are importing the stack s equal to stack. If stack equal to stop, if s equal to stack means first we are creating the stack, that is stack will be creating. See this example. First we are creating the one stack. Now the stack is created. What the next one? Is empty method is there. Is empty method means whether the stack is empty or not. Initially the stack is empty. So true condition. True output. If s dot push of 4 means the 4 element will be inserting to the stack. Okay, that is 4. Next, push of dog element. This is item. This is item 2 element. If the top of the position is this one, top position is dog. Now print s dot peak. Peak means the top position of the element will be displayed. What is that output for this method? To display the dog. Here the dog is a top of the element. The dog is a top of the element. Next, s dot push of true. Now true item is inserting to the stack. True item is inserting to the stack. Okay. Now, a print s dot size. Print s dot size means how many elements are available in that stack. Means here there is 3 elements will be available in this. So there are 3 will be display the output. Okay. Now the next operation is s dot is empty. Here there is 3 elements in the stack. So the stack is not empty. So false. Push of s 8.4 means 8.4 item is inserting to the stack. Okay. Okay. That means next print s dot pop. Pop means the top position is 8.4. So the pop operation will be applied. The top of the element will be removed. The top of the element is removed. The second one, s dot push means you can push the 8.4 item into the stack. Now the next operation is S dot pop. Pop means here the top element is 8.4. Now whenever to apply the pop operation, the top of the element will be removed from the 8.4 is removed from the stack. So 8.4. Next, the S dot pop operation will be applied. So here the true item is removed from the stack. Now next operation is S dot size of method. Now in the stack operation, in the stack only two elements are available. So the size of the stack is 2. This is the example of stacks operation. Thank you.
Vishnu Audio Visual Center, like and share and subscribe and click bell icon.